You search for how to buy shares of SRP Groupe SA. SRP Groupe SA is a European industrial company listed on Euronext under the ticker SRP.PA. This video is educational and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy SRP.PA, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After you register, you will be asked to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and to add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SRP.PA to find the listing. Select the result that shows SRP.PA on Euronext to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a live price chart. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm this is the correct SRP Groupe SA listing. Tap or click Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the trade completes. Once executed, your SRP.PA position will appear in your portfolio. For the example link used in this video, see the description below.